What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Lionel Messi from the World Cup 2026. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. We want to start with the one on the left from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to draw a smaller circle in the center of each eye for the pupil. So starting on the left at the very top, going all the way around. Do the same thing on the right. And it'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Now move to the center and draw the nose. Starting on the left, bend this down, across, and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to step down and draw in the mouth. Starting on the left, curve this down, and then up. Go back over toward the left side, curve this down, and then up. Along the top, we're going to trace that same curve for the top row of teeth. Along the bottom, let's add a curve from left to right, going up and then down for the tongue. And then we'll fill the center area in black. Just underneath the mouth, let's add a curve for the lower lip, coming down and then up. Now to go back up to the eyes, step out and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step over, the curves down, go across just underneath the lip, and then bend that up towards the right side. Let's draw the edge of the mustache and beard. Starting from the left side of the nose, curve around the mouth, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And then from here, bend this out and then up towards the side of the head. Now let's draw the eyebrows. On the left side, we're going to bend this up and then in. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. Let's flatten off the inside of the eyebrows with a straight line going up. And we'll taper the eyebrows so it gets narrower towards a point along the outside. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from the side of the head, let's curve this up and then in around the eyebrows. And we'll work our way around the edge of the hairline. Back on the left, going up and then in towards the top. Let's connect the top with a curve, going across and then down. Now let's draw on the top of the hair. Starting from this point, bend this up and then out. Bend this in. Now we want to brush the hair over towards the right. So we're going to go up and in. Bring that down. Let's add a longer one. Going up and across. Come back down. Going up and then out. Now I'm going to bring this down towards the right side. Now I'm going to curl in the opposite direction. Going out and then up. Come down and in. Let's add one more point. Going up and in toward the side. Now we're going to go back to the side of the head and draw in the ears. Starting on the left. Going up, around, and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ears. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now let's close off the side of the head. Underneath the hair on the left, we're going to bend this out, come down, and then in on top of the ears on both sides. Okay, now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar on the left side, curve this down and up. And then from the collar, we're going to step out and curve the body going out and then down towards the hips. Let's connect the hips with a curve. Now from the side of the collar, let's draw two lines. One coming down from the left, and then one from the right. Now I'm going to trace the side of the body along the inside. Just following that same curve, coming down towards the bottom. Let's add a crest along the top with a straight line. And then from the side, bend this down and in towards the center point. And they'll draw the number 10 in the center of the body. So let's start with the 1. Coming down, flatten off the top and bottom, close off the inside, Then on the right, we're going to draw a full oval with 0. Trace that along the inside. And I'll fill the inside of the numbers in black. Let's go back to the center of the body. Step down, we're going to add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend this down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and then we're going to curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back to the hips. Curl the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go to the center of the leg, add a curve for the bottom of the shorts. Leave a small gap and draw another curve for the top edge of the socks. Now we're going to draw the number 10 over on the bottom left side of the shorts. Then we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace it across on both sides. From the outside of the toe, let's add a toe cap, curving in and then down across, halfway across the foot. Now halfway across the toe cap, curve the laces going up and then in toward the top of the foot. Let's separate the laces with 2 curves on the inside of this panel. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line it up on the right. From the wrist, draw a half circle coming in and out from the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and then bend that up around that bracket. Step down, draw the second finger, bend that up. Now the third finger, we're going to blend this into the arm. So we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up, and just pull that in underneath the head. Let's go to the center of the arm. I'm just going to add a curve for the sleeve, going up and then out on both sides. Now on the right side, we're going to step up and add another curve for the armband. Let's add a stripe across the outside of the arm. So I'm going to step in, follow the curve of the arm coming all the way down. Then we're going to add a little trim panel on the inside. Starting from the side of the body, bring this down and out, and then pull that down towards the bottom. And it'll sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Lionel Messi from the World Cup 2026. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.